So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's start this video. So in this video I'll teach you how do you use a date command. So basically it is a self-explanatory, but if I print date, it will obviously print the date, but there is many what arguments which you can use with date so that you can get the specific output. Okay, let's first one. So let's say that you need to display the full weekday name. How do you do that? So you can use date command, then you can specify what plus and percentage and capital letter A. This will display the full weekday name. Okay, now let's say that you need to display the abbreviate weekday name. How do you do that? So instead of using capital letter A, you need to use small letter A. That will display the short form of that weekday name. Okay, let's say that you need to display the full month name. How do you do that? So date and plus percentage and capital letter B. So this will basically print the month name. This month is September. Okay, now let's say that you need to print the abbreviate, that will be use abbreviate of this month, that will be using small letter B, that will print SCP, that will be the short form, right? Okay. Let's say you need to print the date of a month, like date of a month. How do you do that? So you can use plus and percentage and D, so that will print the date of a month. So today is 9, so it is printing 9. You got it right? So let's say you need to print the year, so you need to use capital letter Y, that will print the year of the year. Okay, let's say you need to print the year in 2 digit. Let's say you need to print the year in 2 digit. So you can use small letter Y. So this will basically print the year in 2 digit. Okay, let's say you need to display the hours in 24 hours format. How do you do that? You need to use date and you need to specify H. Okay, so plus percentage and capital letter H, so that will print the exact hour. Okay, let's say you need to print the hours in 12 format, 12 hours format. You need to use plus percentage then I, that will print it in a 12 hours format. So this will be the 24 hours format, this will be the 12 hours format. Okay, now let's say you need to display the minutes, so that you need to use capital letter M will display the minutes. So 17 minutes now, 17 minutes. Okay, let's say you need to display seconds. How do you do that? So capital letter yes. Now seconds, 26 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's wait 3 seconds. 1 2 3. Now it is 32 seconds. Yeah, it is working. Let's say you need to display AM or PM. So for that you need to use small letter P, that will specify whether now it is a AM or it is a PM. Let's say you need to display the time zone abbreviation, so that you need to use capital letter Z will display the abbreviation for the time zone, so BST. Okay, now let's say you need to display the seconds since the Unix EBSCON, like January 1, 1970. So from then to till now you need to display the seconds. How do you do that? So plus percentage and then yes, so that will print the total number of seconds from since the Unix epoch, that will be the when this Unix was invented in 1970. From then to year it was 169427271 seconds. I don't know seconds. Okay. Let's say that you need to display a date and time difference from the current date and time. How do you do that? So you need to use date and time. Date is equal to, then you need to specify in the double quotes, I guess. In the double quotes you need to specify 2023 hyphen what that will be 09 hyphen 09, and the time will be 14 colon 14 colon 00 something like that. Then you can specify the abbreviation, that will be plus percentage a for the year, I guess. Yeah. Now plus percentage b for the month. Yeah, month. And the percentage d for the date, and percentage y for the year, I guess. Yeah, maybe it is for years. Let's say you need to specify percentage I, that will be for minutes. Maybe it's for minutes. Then a percentage m, then percentage p. So we use percentage p to specify the pm, right? So we use m to specify the minutes. So p is for pm or am, then m is for to specify the minutes. Then if I am using I to specify it in a 12 hours format, if I am using y to specify the year, then if I am using percentage d, then I am specifying the day of the month. Then if I am using capital letter B, then I am specifying the full month name. Then if I am using capital letter A, then I am specifying the full weekday name. Okay, that is how it works. So if I press enter, then you can see Saturday, September 09 2023, that will be 2:14 p.m. Okay. Let's say you need to display date and time in coordinated UTC. How do you do that? So you need to do date and -u, that will display in UTC format. So if you don't know how to use date, you can obviously go for man page and check all the arguments, and I guess there is a version for it. Yeah, there is a version, and the person who wrote this code for the date. Okay, so that's all guys, thank you for watching.